Hello friends, today I have just a quick video for you. I want to talk about some future videos and projects. So firstly, yes, there will be more episodes of Octavia's Snowdrift, and Octavia isn't working right now because I think my timing belt jumped a thief. So we're going to fix that in next video. And after that, we'll do some regular maintenance like change oil, filters, replace my suspension to some stiff lowered version that's gonna be from a race shop and totally legal. Paint my brake calipers, weld my exhaust pipe, and install some LEDs on the roof so we can see better at night while we race, obviously legally and on closed tracks. After that, we'll do a trip with my friend to show you my new exhaust.
Ještě vydržel sezónu.
And clean the car properly and polish it. Later we'll buy some new semi-slicks that we're gonna put on Octavia, and obviously some alignment, because so far my alignment is just something I did by my eye.
Ještě kusek?
Huh?
Toč ještě.
And hence nothing by machine, so it's kind of shit if you'd ask me. And yeah, after that's finished, well, obviously I want to buy a subwoofer because I have quite some audio setup, but after that we're going to build a go-kart. That's another project for summer, and that is gonna be crazy because I have already a lot of stuff figured out, how to do, what to do, and it won't be cheap. It will be pretty expensive, honestly. And what I forgot to mention, I want to install strut mount on my Octavia. I'm just still deciding on color, either red or like red-ish, slight pink. Because it looks good, I just don't know how it's gonna look IRL. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's kinda it for now. Obviously more crazy stuff is coming soon. I just need a bit to relax and, well, edit those videos. I'm sorry, I'm tired because today I slept like 2 hours, and, well, this is what it looked like. Słuchaj, a po tak. Stój. Yeah, it was kind of crazy, but totally worth it. So I'll check back with you later. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Bye bye.